Lagyan mo sa gas.
Two more runners. Jacqueline's Diamond and Spectacular Ridge. All set. Gates open. They're up and racing. Amsterdam moving up. Jacqueline's Diamond. In between runners, Tucker's Diamond. Next in line, Angelus. Then followed by Gypsy Gray and Spectacular Ridge. Racing behind them. Jacqueline's Diamond. This time by about 3 lengths. Running in second is Tucker's Diamond. Amsterdam running on the outside. Angelus still racing in fourth. Then Gypsy Gray and his Spectacular Ridge still in behind them. Heading towards the 600. It's Jacqueline's Diamond. Tucker's Diamond in second. Amsterdam running on the outside third. Then followed by Angelus as they race towards the 450. Jacqueline's Diamond. Amsterdam now getting closer in second. Tucker's is running by the rail. And into the home stretch. Jacqueline's Diamond, Tucker's Diamond moving up by the road. Amsterdam is on the outside, but it's still Jacqueline's Diamond, Tucker's Diamond, Amsterdam. It's Jacqueline's Diamond back to 3 lengths lead over Amsterdam and Tucker's Diamond with 75 meters. Oh, Jacqueline's Diamond, Amsterdam, Tucker's Diamond, and Angelus.
Ang ilan? Second. Stop na.